One of the hardest things in reselling can be finding reliable suppliers to get stock. So for this video, I partnered with Fleek and I'm introducing one of their newest suppliers who is one of the biggest UK rag mills there is. This is stock that you can order on Fleek and get within 10 days if you're in the EU or in the UK. So what have I ordered? Well, I've ordered 50 pairs of branded shorts because it's summer. It's the perfect time for shorts. Now, after my last video where I managed to cut myself and bleed everywhere, I decided to open this box before I was recording. So don't be upset with me that the box is open, but I will show you what I've got on it. And at the end of the video, I'll tell you who the supplier was that I bought them from and show you their page on Fleek so you can see what kind of goods you can get from them. So, box is open and already I am excited by the first item that we've got here because there's a pair of Ralph Lauren polo swim shorts. Cost of goods on these was less than £5 each as well. So what are we looking at? 25 quid on those. Oh, pair of big shorts here. All Saints. Yeah, nice pair of All Saints chino shorts in a really good size. 15 to 20 quid. Quality is looking really good on those as well. We have got some Nike shorts in a size medium. They're a nice design. This was a sort of branded and sports shorts sort of box. So yeah, 15 quid on those. And a pair of Adidas shorts. What size are we? These are Adidas Prime Green in the UK 10. So these are ladies shorts. Probably about 13 quid on those. Oh, we've got some jogging shorts, some sweat shorts, Nike Dry Fit, size large. Again, easy 15 quid on those. Most of these, I reckon, will sell on Vinted really quickly when I list them as well, which is nice because you don't pay fees. Some Nike Dry Fit, extra small shorts. Surprisingly, extra small shorts have been flying out for me this summer, so can't complain about that. This is a nice pair of Nike shorts again, big swoosh on that, they'll sell quickly. In a size medium, again, 15 quid easily on those. Some Under Armour shorts, size large, really good condition these. Easy 15 quid again. Some Adidas shorts in blue, they're already shorts. In an extra large, again, 15 quid. You start to see that we're getting some really good quality shorts that will sell quickly here. These are from Nike. They're a dry fit and they're in a size medium. So, you know the price on those by now. I don't need to tell you. Under Armour, size medium. Shorts, again, good condition. Very nice. Some more Under Armour shorts in a size medium again. They'll do well. Nike Dry Fit shorts in a size large. Again, looking for about 15 quid on all of these. Extra large Nike shorts, paid less than £5 for them. Easily double my money on this box or more. Some Adidas swim shorts. I'll probably go for slightly more. Seem to get slightly more for swim shorts, maybe 16, 17 quid on those. Some Nike Dry Fit shorts, size large. Again, condition is astonishingly good. Size medium Under Armour shorts. Some New Balance ones. Haven't sold New Balance before, so not quite sure on the resale value on those, but be at least a tenner, maybe 15 quid. And some Adidas shorts, a size small, excellent condition. Going to get all these shorts listed over the next couple of days so they sell really quickly. These shorts are pretty full from Nike. These are a bit longer. Nice bit of Nike branding down the side as well. Probably ask slightly more for those. Closer to the £20 mark just because they're a bit of a special design. Some 2XL shorts from Adidas. Again, 15 quid. Ooh, it is new. I have got some newer tags. Brand new. Still got a label on the back. Shorts in a size large. There is, however, a little tiny mark on this one. Tiny mark on that one, which is probably why these shorts have been rejected. So it might be at 10, 12 quid on those. Like size large shorts. That's the only pair of shorts I've had with a condition issue so far, which is really good. Normally when you buy wholesale, you get, at least 10% of it is got some kind of issue with it. But so far, we're not seeing anything. I'll show you these shorts as they come out. Sort of Adidas ones, Nike ones. Loads of them coming out. Under Armour. All brands that sell really quickly for me on eBay and Vinted, to be fair. Extra large Nike shorts. Again, looking for an average price of 15 quid on these. Hugo Boss shorts. Might be able to get slightly more for these in a size large. Got here. Pair of Nike swim shorts, size large, nice pattern on those. So again, we might go slightly higher of 15 on those. Standard Adidas shorts. Size is extra large. Again, easy 15 quid on those. Really can't describe how good the condition on these actually is. I order a lot of shorts wholesale because we sell a lot of shorts, and I can honestly say I haven't had a delivery turn up in this good condition. 2XL Under Armour shorts, they'll sell quick. On Vinted, I'll probably be asking a tenner, 12 quid, something like that, to compensate for the fact that, buyer has to pay fees and shipping. So 15 quid on eBay, 10 to 12 quid on Vinted. So still doubling your money, whichever platform you use. Pair of pink ladies shorts. Ladies shorts I find go slightly cheaper, about 12, 13 quid. Pair of Calvin Klein shorts. Swim shorts in a size small. Usually list those for about 12 quid. Nike dry fit shorts in a size large. Puma shorts in extra large. Puma, not as popular a brand, might get 12 quid on those. But it still does sell pretty quickly, to be fair, at this time of year. Some North Face shorts. So I'll probably shoot slightly higher on these, probably towards the £20 mark. Nike dry fit extra smalls. Like I say, the extra smalls, normally a size you'd avoid, have been doing really well at being shorts this year, probably because people are avoiding them. Pair of extra small ladies shorts there from Adidas, again, probably 11, 12 quid on those because they are ladies ones. Nice pair of chino shorts from Polo Ralph Lauren, easy 20 quid on these. Easy £20 on those, nice to see. Pair of Nike shorts again. Be a nice 15 quid on those. Another pair of Nike shorts, the size medium. Again, be an easy £15 on those. A pair of Adidas shorts. So you start to see the theme here. Now we've got long to go now. Under Armour shorts, the size large. This is still great. This is staggeringly good condition. Size small Nike shorts, again, 15 quid. Size medium Nike shorts, again, 15 quid. And they're not customised either. Quite often when I go order wholesale bundles, they have like customisation on them from amateur sports teams and stuff like that, which does hinder the value. Pair of chino shorts from Hugo Boss, again. Probably shoot close to 20 quid on those. If you're keeping track on the value of these, then you'll know I'm in for a decent profit. Size large Under Armour shorts. Again, mark. We've had one pair of shorts that's had a mark on them. Size large swim shorts. It's always the white one that had marks on when they were white. And then the final pair is a pair of Nike dry fits in a size small. So that was amazing. I'm really happy with that. I know I'm going to make some good money, and more importantly, at this time of year with a heat wave on, I'm going to make that money really, really quickly. So yeah, 50 pairs of shorts. We're just under a £5 each for the shorts. The supplier I got them from was Cottonopolis. And if we switch to future Andrew, I will just give you a quick screen record of what Cottonopolis have to offer. don't forget to use code RFD-ANDREW to order from Fleek to get £26 off your first order of £125 or more. Thank you. So this is the Fleek cap, and the supplier is Cottonopolis. Easy way to find them. Just type in to the search Cottonopolis, comes up straight away, and here are the quality products they got to sale. They've already got 5-star reviews. They've already got repeat buyers. I am one of those, full disclosure, because I have bought some Christmas jumpers from them, ready for Q4. But the thing that really interests me down here, you can see they've got a variety of different stock. But if we search by price low to high and apply the filter there, and then we scroll up, we can see that they're offering cycling jerseys for 89 pence each, which I think is an absolute bargain. And I certainly intend to order some of those, maybe 100 or so, because 100 cycling shirts for less than £1 each, they're going to fly out. So I think that's a really good deal. They have various other bits of stock as well. You've got your rugby shirts, you've got cashmere jumpers, you've got tracksuit bottoms, Levi's jeans, your Christmas jumpers they mentioned, branded dresses, a whole variety of stock there. So definitely worth taking a look and seeing if there's anything that tickles your fancy, because as I say, the quality on what I've got so far from them has been really, really good. Boom. And we're back. Thank you, previous Andrew, for showing that. So, as I say, get on Fleek, have a look at Cottonopolis. The quality of the stock, from what I can see, seems to be really good. And you know what? I'm going to go right off now and order some more stuff from them. See you on the next video. Bye for now.